Do you want to make a delicious yet easy to make dinner for you and your family? Craving a creamy pasta with a hint of balsamic vinegar? Well, look no further. In 25 minutes you can make a great creamy balsamic chicken pasta that will make your taste buds dance. Let's explore the ingredients and step-by-step instructions to make this simple but delightful dish. Add olive oil to a skillet at medium heat. While that's heating up, we're going to cut the chicken breasts down to bite-sized pieces. Remember to trim the fat off before you cut. Once your skillet's heated up, add your chicken and cook to 165 degrees. Due to technical difficulties of me not hitting the record button, you've missed the part of the video where I take the chicken out of the skillet once it's cooked and add butter back to the skillet. We now return to the video. Let your butter melt into the pan. Add your balsamic vinegar and your minced garlic. Stir it up and bring to a simmer. It should take about a minute or two. Add your heavy cream, oregano, and basil to the skillet. Stir it all together. And slowly add your Parmesan cheese. Be sure to stir the sauce often so it doesn't stick to the pan. After about 5 minutes, mix in your chicken and cooked pasta. We just explored the ingredients and steps you need to make a great creamy balsamic chicken pasta. In 25 minutes or less, you can be served a delicious classic Italian-style meal. Don't forget to season your dish to your liking and garnish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now that you have the recipe, go ahead and give it a try. Invite your friends and family over for dinner and give them a surprise. Don't forget to share your experience and pictures with us.